What would happen if the Earth and all terrestrial objects suddenly stopped spinning, but the atmosphere retained its velocity? At the equator, things would get really weird. Winds sweeping over the oceans would have been churning up and atomizing the surface layer of the water. For a while, the ocean would cease to have a surface at all. As the energy of the blasting wind began to dissipate, it would mostly go into heat. A lot of heat. But oceans are cold. The subsequent turbulent mixing would likely trigger worldwide thunderstorms over the oceans. The wind would also have momentum, which would transfer into waves which would sweep around the globe, west to east, and every west-facing shore would encounter the largest storm surge in world history. Eventually, a dense blanket of fog would settle over the cold ocean surfaces. If the Earth stopped spinning completely, the normal cycles of day and night would end. The sun wouldn't completely stop moving across the sky, but it would slow down a lot. As the Earth's orbit carried us in a circle, we would see the sun rise and set exactly once a year. Well, not exactly once a year. The momentum of the atmospheric winds would get transferred back to the Earth, starting it spinning again very slowly since the atmosphere is much lighter than the Earth. Relative to the distant stars, a single spin of the Earth would now take around 3,000 years to complete.